Hello and welcome to SolarQuotes TV, the electric vehicle episode. Now, as someone who drives an electric car, I get to have a lot of conversations with strangers about the pros and cons of electric cars. The most common questions I get as I plug my car into the public charger near the SolarQuotes office are these. How far can it go before the battery is flat? 420 kilometers. Oh, wow. Can you charge it at a servo? Why would I want to do that? 90% of my charging is done at home. I simply wake up to a fully charged car every morning. Well, what car do you use if you want to go on a really long road trip? This one. I can fast charge in half an hour to 40 minutes, and there are fast chargers every 200 kilometers. Is it faster than a regular car? Yeah, it will destroy a Ford Mustang from the lights. Don't ask me how I know that.
Smoke.
As you can see, most Aussies see electric cars as a novelty, out of reach to the regular person. Not for long. How long do you think it will be before EVs are cheaper than the equivalent ICE, internal combustion engine car? Well, a recent online survey found 36% of people think the answer is never. In fact, by just 2025, EVs will be cheaper than ICE cars. Then it is game over for petrol and diesel. But even before then, how are EV sales going down here in Australia? They are growing exponentially. Last year, EV sales doubled in Australia. If that trend continues, there'll be 50% of new car sales in just 5 years. And how are EV sales doing in the rest of the world? Well, in Norway, they are about 80% of new car sales.
Norway sells way more electric cars per capita than the US? Norway. Well, I won't stand for it.
In the UK, the best-selling car of any type last month was the electric Tesla Model 3. It seems people really like EVs once they've driven one, and the momentum of electric cars is now unstoppable. My advice? Hold on to your current car for a few years longer than you might otherwise, and make your next car electric. Do not buy a new petrol or diesel car. It'll be like buying a BlackBerry phone in 2007, just before Apple released the iPhone. Except with the car, you're gonna lose a lot more money. You can charge your new EV in your driveway from your solar panels for next to nothing. It will also require almost no servicing. It'll accelerate like a rally car, and it will last much longer than a petrol car. In 10 years' time, it will drive as if it were new. Electric motors just don't wear like an engine does. Not to mention, you'll no longer be pumping out deadly particulates and warming the planet every time you go to the shops.